Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add PicsArt Widget on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is press and hold on a screen in your Samsung Galaxy A02 to see widget below. Okay, click widget. And okay guys, here in widget, okay, you can find the widget you want to add to your home screen by sliding to the left or to the right. And okay guys, after you find the widget you want to add to your home screen, okay, you'll have to do is press and hold the widget you want to add to your home screen. And okay guys, here you can select the position of your widget. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the PicsArt widget. And okay guys, now you can edit, draw, or take a picture or change the effect of your PicsArt. So okay guys, here the shortcut of your PicsArt. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, thank you for watching.